Jet here to show you how to modify your ringtone on the Yealink T54W. Many other features like this can be performed with the GoTo mobile and desktop apps. See the playlist links in the video description to learn more. You can choose a new ringtone for each line as needed. I'll be zoomed in momentarily, so you may not see me make selections by either pressing number keys or using the arrow navigation controls. Press the menu soft key. Select Basic. Choose Sound. And then choose Ringtones. Then specify which line you would like to modify the ringtone for. And I'll select my extension number. Highlight the desired ringtone to sample it. Select the desired ringtone by highlighting it. Press the Save Soft key to confirm your choice, or the OK button by the navigation controls. I'll press the OK button off screen. Please note this device supports silent ringtones. That's all there is to modify your ringtone using the Yealink T54W.
Thank you for watching the video. I've included links to additional videos about GoTo's products and features in case you want to learn more.